Good morning, it's Kyle at Dayspring Trailers. Today, brand new on the lot is a 2027 Alcom Stealth XLT. This trailer is 8.5 feet wide by 20 feet long. It comes standard with a V-nose, all aluminum construction, 7,000 pound gross capacity. The trailer weighs about 2,600 pounds empty. This one is set up with the heavy duty car hauler rear ramp that has over 4,000 pounds of load carrying ability. As we open the rear ramp here, you'll see that the interior has 7 feet, 1 inch of interior height, high enough for almost any car to go in. It has a standard starter flap that makes it easy to transition for loading your side-by-side, your equipment, or your vehicles. Inside, you'll see we have 3/4 inch flooring and 3/8 walls in this trailer. It's made out of Pactite. It's resin impregnated. It's very impervious to rot and moisture, meaning it'll last a long time. You can paint it, pressure wash it, or whatever you need to do to keep the life of this going. As you can see, the walls, ceiling, and floor are all welded aluminum, 16 inches on center. This trailer comes with an elevated spare tire and mount. So if you're interested in this trailer or any other trailer, give us a call at dayspringtrailers.com.